Good evening to all. Here myself Dr. Nidhi Tiwari again with Kent Reperty as we left from rubric hunting. So now we're starting again from rubric hunting from Kent Reperty. So here under the chapter extremities, cons, ganglion in extremities, walk late, learning to extremities, washes always washing her hand, extremities. Pernicious, quotidian, that is, comes under chill, gastric fever, hectic, puerperal, typhoid, yellow fever, under fever, chill absent present under fever, flabbiness present under skin, lousiness under skin, brittle bones in generalities, anemia, chlorosis. Again, it's important rubric, that is anemia, chlorosis comes under generalities, burns, generalities, menses before, during, after, generalities, menses also present in genitalia female section from Kent repertory, perspiration gives no relief present in generalities, obesity present in generalities. Now, as I already told you on starting, when we are started from Kent repertory, that there is very much importance of word meanings. So there are various terms used in repertory and in various repertory. They are repeatedly used, repertory and other books too. So libertinism, behaving in an unrestrained, perverted manner, capricious, desired things and reject it when offered, frivolous, doesn't pay serious attention to anything, nymphomania, excessive sexual desire in a female, repulsive, extreme aversion, grimaces, facial contortion expressing suffering, pertinacity, holding firmly an idea even if others don't agree, meddlesome, interference in others' business which may not concern him, dipsomania, mania to drink alcohol, slender disposition, person in the habit of reporting against other, ardent, extremely enthusiastic, devoted, faithful, amativeness, a disposition to love with sexual desire, anthropophobia, fear of man, admonition, aggravation from gentle advice, abandon, forsake, deserted, a feeling of being left alone without help. So these are same for one, abandoned, forsake, and deserted. It's also present under cross reference, in particular Kant repertory. Abrupt, sudden, avarice, excessive desire for wealth, audacity, negative boldness, amorous, excess desire for love, especially sexual, covetous, desire to possess something that belongs to others. Restlessness, acts hesitantly, incautiously, reproaches himself, blames oneself for something, irresolution, difficult to take decision, monomania, obsession about single idea, vivacious, filled with spirit, lively, industrious, mania to work, extravagance, and aptitude to spend liberally. Now, in cross references, there are various repertories, and in different repertories, the presentation of cross reference are different. As in Kant's repertory against the rubric. So here we have to just go through from repertory that where it is mentioned, means cross reference. Synthetic repertory, below the rubrics, bogus repertory at the end of chapter. So at the end of every chapter, there is cross reference. Boric repertory after the medicines. Synoptic key after the medicines. Nai repertory, hand sign. In Nai repertory, it's very different symbol used under cross reference. That is a hand sign. So once you have go through the repertory, then you easily can understand how hand sign is present over that repertory. BTPP, no cross reference. So there is no cross reference in BTPP. Important quotes of Kant. So again, it's very important for your exam purpose too, that the different quotes, as we know, there are so many stalwarts. They give their different quotes regarding our pathy, disease condition, and other philosophies. So here there are some different quotes of Kant and important quotes. The best is that which one make oneself. All curable disease make themselves known to physician by sign and symptom. Every symptom is indicative of deviation from natural state of health. The general always rule out non-agreeing particular. Second prescription is prescription after the first one has acted. At the present day, advanced thinkers are thinking of fourth state of matter, which is immaterial substance. Mechanical use of repertory never leads to artistic prescription. It's again an important quote. Our materia medica is so cumbersome without a repertory that the best prescriber meets with indifferent results. Without case records, you are at a sea without a compass or a rudder. This again an important quote from Kant repertory. Yeah, from Master Kant. Now abbreviations. So as we read about different medicines, so there are the abbreviations of the same medicines, that alumina, alum. In different books, there are different abbreviation because the same medicine having a different name, like alumina, aluminium metallicum, ammonicum gamma, and ammonium carbonicum, aurum mat, then again aurum AUR.M means it's not aurum mat, it's aurum muratica, and in aurum mat AUR. So just go through your slides because it just like repeatedly work for the same. So Blata and Blata orientalis, Cyanophin cillaris, Synconicum, Sulfuricum, Ferrum mat, Ferrum muraticum, Ginkgum mat, Ginkgum muraticum. Hints to remember the rubrics. So desire and aversions are found in chapter stomach. Example, desire for sweet, aversion for sweet comes under stomach. So just note it down or just take it that it's very important that desire for sweet, aversion for sweet. So whatever the desire or aversion, it's lie under the chapter stomach. In particular, Kant repertory, like craving for sweet, craving for sweet, etc., and even dislike for sweet. Then again, intolerance for sweet food. So these are all comes under chapter stomach. Food aggravation, food disagrees are found in generalities. Intolerance for sweets found under chapter generalities. Effect of weather is found in generalities. Example, cold wet weather aggravates. So it comes under generalities. So like that, there are various rubrics mentioned under chapter generality. Diagnostic rubrics mostly seen in generality. So there are many diagnostic rubrics which lie under the chapter generalities, that is leukemia, anemia. Sweat on any part are found under the particular anatomical section. Effect of discharges in generalities. Now, some misplaced rubrics. Diarrhea after taking sweet lie under chapter rectum. Milk child refuses mother milks lie under chapter chest. Eat refuses to take medicine comes under the chapter mind. Child grabs the nurse when carried comes under chapter vertigo. Lie down inclination to again comes under generalities. Sit inclination to that is come under mind. So these are the misplaced rubrics. Addison's disease comes under chapter kidney, and it's important question too. So just note it down. Addison disease comes under chapter kidney, and it's also a misplaced rubric. Cirrhosis, liver, abdomen, sexual passion, increase in man, genitalia, and nymphomania, mind. There is no rubric satriasis in Kant. Awkwardness come under chapter extremities. So now, as we go through the repertory, that is Kant repertory, so this one was the last from Kant repertory, that is your misplaced rubrics. So from misplaced rubrics, as diarrhea after taking sweet, rectum, milk child refuses mother milk's child. So important is that we have to also go through same time for same chapter, right? Like diarrhea after taking sweet comes or lie under rectum. And while we are talking about lie down inclination 2, which is lying under chapter generalities, and sit inclination 2 under mind. So they are both similar to each other, but they are fall different in different chapters. Now, here one thing that hints to remember the rubrics, as we prior to it in hints to remember the rubrics, that desire and aversions are found in chapter stomach. So clinically, practically, as well as for exam purpose, it's very important that desire for sweet, aversion for sweet comes under stomach. So you have to just learn it and just open your Kant property and just go through it, whether it is given or not given, it is a right or wrong or true or false. So just go through it. That dislike for sweets comes under which chapter? Now, next one is intolerance for sweet food. So here is sweet food. So don't like misguide from it given like sweet and we just read out okay, aversion for sweet. So it's like under chapter stomach. No, dislike for sweet. So there is intolerance for sweet food. So there is intolerance. So food sweet aggravates lie under chapter generalities. Right. So there is intolerance for sweet. So it's lie under chapter generalities. There is no like there is sweet. So you have to go for stomach chapter. Now, diagnostic rubrics mostly seen in generalities, and it's very important to just go through generalities with different diagnostic rubrics. It's not like leukemia and anemia. There are many more which lie under generalities. So in generalities, there are many diagnostic. Even in generalities, one thing more, as a doctor can told us, or it's in different books mentioned it, that there is no such type of pathological condition lie in repertory. As in Boning Hussain, there are so many pathological condition that he just criticized them, that we don't have follow such type of things, as we believe on individual concept as well as man as a whole. But in many chapters, particular in Kant repertory, in many sections, there are so many pathological generals with diagnostic rubrics. So just go through it because it's an important part. Jesse, chorea, chorea from fright, also given in generalities. Paralysis for single part, and it's very important. So in further slides, it's not mentioned. So just note it down. Paralysis single part lie under chapter generalities, and it's important rubric 2. Then hydrocele, hydrocele of boy. it mentioned like hydrocele, voice of. In particular chapter, that is genitalia, and it's an important rubric. So take it down for your exam purpose, like diplopia in vision. Now, in generalities, vaccination after aggravation, bad effects of vaccination, which is mentioned under the chapter generalities. One more important, that is old age, premature old age, comes in old age, premature, under the chapter generalities. Now, in generalities, thrombosis, it's again important rubric, so just take it down. Now, slow means delay in union of broken bone, which is mentioned as slow repair of broken bones in generalities. Now, basically some important rubrics for exam purpose in generalities, that is quinine abuse of, indiscriminate use of quinine, quinine abuse of. Next is obesity. As we go through earlier, it's very important for exam purpose. So just note it down or just take it. In symptom form, it mentioned like body fat but legs thin. Okay, and in rubric form, obesity, body fat but legs thin, fall under chapter generalities. One word we go through in repertory from mind section, that is megalomania. So megalomania means delusion, great person he is. It's not like mean, it's a rubric, and there from the symptom megalomania, and the rubric is delusion, great person he is, lie under chapter mind. And one more symptom, that is lesbianism. So rubric is love with one of her own sex, lie under chapter mind. Now, semen dribbling in sleep. So it's lie in chapter genitalia, and the rubric is semen dribbling sleep in. Gonorrhea discharge. So whatever the rubrics I am telling here with the symptom, it's important for exam purpose. So just note it down, because in further slides there is some technical problems, so we are not able to show over here. So just note it down, whatever the important rubrics from different chapters. Euphoria from mind section. Euphoria is a symptom, and rubric in Canterbury is, well, says he is when very sick. Suppression of urine from suppressed gonorrhea, lie under chapter kidney in form of rubric, that is suppression of urine, suppressed gonorrhea from. Keloid. Rubric is induration nodule, lies under chapter skin. Next, lice. Lice is a rubric which fall under chapter head. Lice in the hair of head. So, symptom is lice in the hair of head, and rubric is only lice which lie under chapter head. Now, fever during measles. So it's a symptom, and rubric is exanthematic fever, measles, under chapter fever. Now, a woman who has aversion to girls. So it's a symptom, and rubric for it, children, aversion to especially little girls, in bracket, a woman, that lies under chapter mind from Kent repertory. Now, as I earlier told you that there are so many diagnostic as well as pathological condition mentioned under chapter generalities in Kent repertory. So many more to read about in generality. So unconscious, this is the rubric, unconscious cuff between which lie under chapter mind. Faintness, attack of cough during lie under chapter generality. The symptom is becomes unconscious with cough. Again, become unconscious with cough. It's a symptom. Faintness, attack of cough during lie under generalities. Now, obstructed labor pain. Rubric is pain, labor pain interrupted genitalia, that is female genitalia. Now it's very important, that is heedless. The symptom is patient is too much careless and rubric is heedless. Heedless from mind section in Kent repertory. Next important is retained placenta. This is a symptom and in repertory placenta retained from genitalia female in Kent repertory. Profuse expectoration. Rubric copious from the chapter expectoration in Kent repertories. Injury. So injury is a rubric in injury, including blows, falls, and bruises, lie under chapter generalities in Kent repertory, and symptom is blows, falls, and bruises. Now, tumor in mammary. That is again lie, tumor mammary in chest. Physometra, flatus from vagina, genitalia, female. It's again important. So just take it. Next is parotitis. In rubric form, inflammation, parotid gland, which lie under chapter face. So it may be considered as misplaced rubrics and it lie under chapter face from Kent repertory. Sensitive aversion to open air. Mostly aggravation, amelioration, aversion are found in chapter generalities in Kent repertories mentioned as air, open, aversion to, which lie under chapter generalities. Again, one exposes body, naked wants to be. Naked wants to be, it's a rubric for exposes body, which lie under the chapter mind. Oppression, weight, feeling in stomach, heaviness, weight, oppression, that is lie under chapter stomach. Milk lag, that is Phlegmasia alba dolens. Phlegmasia alba dolens. It's again important. Milk lag. Milk lag, it's a rubric and the symptom is, or in symptomatic language, milk lag, phlegmasia, alba dolens lie under chapter extremities in Kent repertory in the form of rubric, that is milk lag. Now, sensation as a drops of cold water, which is mentioned as rubric water drops of cold were falling in chapter chest. Now, previously I told you regarding the bubo. which is lie under abdomen and which is very important rubric. So just learn it. Marasmus. Marasmus, again in generalities, emaciation, children in marasmus. Eats but emaciates. Rubric is appetite, ravenous, emaciation with. That is lie under chapter stomach. One very important rubric, that is pulse. Pulse frequent. So pulse frequent, we can take a symptom like rapid pulse and rubric is pulse frequent. So pulse directly mentioned in chapter generalities. So on the basis of type of pulse, we can use Canterbury generalities chapter for pulse frequent. It's a rubric pulse frequent. Next is alkaline. Alkaline urine and rubric is alkaline. Lie under chapter urine. Next is lockjaw. Lockjaw comes under chapter face. Lie never speaks the truth. Fall under the chapter mind and the symptom is she never speaks the truth. Irritability when too much medicine fail to act it's an important rubric for clinically as well as exam point 2. Irritability when too much medicine fail to act. This rubric lies under chapter generalities. Now, mother's milk absent. Rubric is milk absent, which lie under chapter chest. And cirrhosis of liver. Cirrhosis liver. This is the rubric which found chapter abdomen in Kant repertory. One important rubric is expression happy. Expression happy found under chapter face in Kant repertory and the symptom is patient looks happy. So patient looks happy and the rubric is expression happy which lie under chapter face. Now there is a rubric in genitalia female that is displacement. So here displacement means or we can take as symptom retroversion of uterus. So retroversion of uterus and the rubric is displacement lie under chapter genitalia female. Now constipation amelioration. So it's a rubric constipation amelioration which lie in generalities and the symptom is relieved by constipation. So it's a hint which we already read in this slideshow that aggravation and amelioration condition very much used in particular generalities chapter. Like next one is symptoms amelioration while sweating. Symptoms amelioration while sweating. So as here sweating mentioned, so it's lie under chapter perspiration which comes relieved by sweat. So don't think like there is amelioration and aggravation word used, so we have to go for generalities. No, you have to read about symptoms amelioration while sweating. So it's lie under perspiration and this is a rubric and in symptom language we can read about relieved by sweat. Now company aversion to desire solitude to practice masturbation lies under chapter mind in Kant repertory and the symptom is seeks solitude to practice masturbation So it's again a important question, or we can say important for clinical purpose too. Now, child can't tolerate milk. So, rubric food, milk, aggravation, which lie in generalities. Riding in a carriage while lie under chapter fever. Now, nausea, seasickness lie under chapter stomach. In symptom language, we can use it here. Nausea due to travel in the seashore. Stings of insect lie under chapter skin, and in symptom form insect bite. Now, one more important rubric is presumptuous. Presumptuous in symptom language, bold and confident, which lie under chapter mind. Presumptuous. Once again, presumptuous. It's a rubric which means bold and confident, which lie under chapter mind. And psychosis. Psychosis is a rubric which lie under chapter generalities and which is important for exam purpose. So just note it down or tick against your book. Alcoholic stimulants. Alcoholic stimulants in symptom language can't tolerate alcoholic stimulants lie under chapter generalities and Kant repertory. Now, one rubric is riding in a wagon or car aggravation. The rubric lie in generalities as well as stomach too. So just take it and just go through it, generalities chapter as well as in stomach. So symptom is car sickness, riding in a wagon or car aggravation, which lie under the chapter generalities in Kant repertory. Now, abortion, milk mothers too, which also lies under chapter stomach, and food, milk aggravation, which lie under chapter generalities. Here, milk aggravation, and in uppercase where we read about abortion milk mothers, that is lie under chapter stomach. Now, eat refuses to. Eat refuses to, symptom is refuses to eat, which lie under chapter mind. Next important is wound, bites of poisonous animals, that is bites of poisonous animals. In rubric form, wound, bites of poisonous animals, that is lie under generality. So there are so many rubrics, that is misplaced rubrics or diagnostic rubrics, pathological condition rubrics, and in cross reference there are same meaning having different phase in different chapter. So in Kant repertory we have to mug up about the rubric in every section which are having pathological condition as well as diagnostic condition. And particular tips regarding the rubric is that कि जहां जहां पे भी आप रूब्रिक देख रहे हैं उसका जो भी क्रॉस रेफरेंस है उसको एक बार गो थ्रू जरूर करें. क्रॉस रेफरेंस मीन्स ये यहाँ पर भी है और इसी का सेम हम स्टमक में भी मिलेगा, या फिर माइंड में हमने देखा कि 4 सेकंड भी है और अबंडन भी है, तो दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है, लैंग्वेज दोनों का क्या डिफरेंस है, हम उसे कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू गो थ्रू क्रॉस रेफरेंस टू. जहां जहां पे भी क्रॉस रेफरेंस मेंशन किया गया उसे एक बार जरूर देखें ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ रूब्रिक हंटिंग. and whatever the tips given on the platform of this Homeo Academy, you have to just follow it and you have to learn it through the hints.